So I've discovered papaya and I absolutely love it. This was introduced to me via a friend on Facebook in our group, Karen. And I had half of it for lunch and I've saved the other half to make a dressing for later. And my other friend Vicky said, oh, have a go at making a tenderiser, which I'm going to do with the seeds. I've washed them and they're in my little mini processor. They're just going to blitz them up and they're going to make a bit of a tenderiser for my meat. So fingers crossed, I know what I'm doing. So those are the seeds blitzed, and I added in 2 garlic cloves fresh. So continue to rub that a second, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to work. So the 3 portions there, I should think. So I'm quite excited. I've just been and picked some of my very first homegrown tomatoes, and they're so cute. They're called Tumbling Toms, I was told, and they taste gorgeous. Okay, so my salad's there, and I've got different kind of flavoured mint in, basil, coriander, and this is the other half of the papaya. I've been soaking for quite a while now in lime juice, and that's going over my salad. I'm just going to toss that together gently and work it through my salad. Okay. Oh gosh, doesn't that look good? Look at all those colours. Scrumptious. So okay, so that's good for me. That's all ready to go. Just going to get the chicken out of the oven to go with my meal, and that's my scrumptious evening meal. I've got some peas and carrots as well there. Okay, so there's my lovely chicken. Just going to pop that onto the plate and tuck in.